Hi, we're so excited to join you from the Redox Center in our product development lab. I'm here with Becca from our research and development team. Becca, could you tell us a little bit about what you do here?
Sure thing. So I'm the lab manager for our product development lab, and I work with our team to help create new products to give to you.
So we are so excited to be talking about this amazing new product. So this clay mask, it's the first ever on the market with cell signaling technology. Could you tell us a little bit about why that's so important and what's so unique about it?
Sure thing, Linda. So you're right. Our new product is the Redox Clay Mask here, and it is the very first clay mask with redox cell signaling molecules. It uses our redox signaling technology that is in both our ARS product, the ASEA Redox supplement, and our Renew 28.
That's amazing. What else? So you're talking about the cell signaling technology that's in it. What else is in this clay mask that makes it so unique?
So not only is our redox signaling molecules in the Redox Clay Mask, but we also have bentonite, which is right here. You can see it's a very fine gray powder.
Okay, so bentonite clay. Can you tell me a little bit about and tell us a little bit about why it's so effective in a face mask?
Yeah, sure thing. So let's talk a little bit about bentonite, give you some background. So this is bentonite. Right here, you can see how it's a very fine powder. So bentonite is actually very, very ancient volcanic ash. It's been used by humans for thousands and thousands of years, and they've applied it to their skin for its healing properties.
That's amazing. So these healing properties, I'm getting really excited about it. Tell us a little bit more about the healing properties and why that's so important connecting with our other product lines.
Yeah, so bentonite is very special. It has this unique characteristic where when you apply it to your skin, it can actually pull out any impurities, any oils within your skin and help clean your face.
And how does that incorporate with Renew 28? I know that there's a lot of similarities there, so help us connect those pieces a little bit to see why they coincide so well.
Yeah, so I'm excited to share this synergy with you. And the Redox Clay Mask actually works synergistically with Renew 28. So we talked about the bentonite. It pulls out any impurities from your skin. And the bentonite, as I had mentioned before, is infused with the redox signaling molecules. So as you apply it to your skin, the bentonite is going to pull out any impurities, and the signaling molecules within the clay mask will help work on your skin, rejuvenating those surface cells.
Yeah.
And then once you take the mask off, you can then put Renew 28. And because there's nothing else on your skin, you've pulled out all those impurities, the signaling molecules in Renew 28 can then do 100% of their redox work on your skin.
That is amazing. I'm getting so excited. Let's go try this out. Okay, great. Let's get started. Will you walk me through how to apply the clay mask?
Sure thing. So first you're going to want to rinse off your face with some water.
Got some water here. Perfect. And why am I wanting to rinse off?
So the water is going to help first take everything off of your face, any excess oils, dirt, so that it won't interfere with the clay mask application.
Okay.
And you want to gently pat dry your face.
So I've got a clean surface now.
Great. And then next you're going to want to take the clay mask and apply a thin layer on your face. So you can use about a nickel size.
Okay. Awesome. And I've got an amazing applicator tool here to be able to help me with the application. Awesome. So while we're going through this, tell me, how often should we be using the face mask, and for how long are we going to be applying this for?
Yeah, so you're actually going to want to put the face mask on your skin for 3 to 10 minutes, depending on your skin type.
Right.
And then if you want to use it throughout your week, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. Again, it depends on your skin type. So some people have more oily skin. They may want to put it on more and for longer, more towards the 10-minute side, and some people have more dry skin, so they'll want to be on the shorter side of that.
Okay. And what is it doing now? I kind of feel it hardening a little bit. It's cooling. The minute that I put it on, I feel this cooling effect, which is really, really unique. Tell me a little bit about why it's doing that. What is it doing for my skin?
Right now what's happening is that bentonite is going into your pores. And we talked about how it has that special properties of attracting any dirt and oil. It's like a magnet. It's pulling out any impurities in your skin. So you're going to feel your skin tighten a little, and that's the bentonite doing its work.
Okay. And I use clay masks pretty often. This one is feeling so much more lightweight. I feel like the application was really sheer. It was really easy to apply. I wasn't having too much. It wasn't too thick. It wasn't too much. So I think it's really great that it's so competitive for what we have on the market right now. And I think that's amazing. How do you feel like it does compare with others on the market right now?
So as you'll notice, Linda's skin, you don't really see that very, very thick, dark layer of clay on her face. And that's because this is a very special clay mask. As we'd mentioned, it's bentonite and redox signaling molecules, and they were mixed in such a way that the ratio to bentonite and signaling molecules kind of increases the formula's potency. So less is more in this case.
And I love that because it's not going to dirty up my towels at all once I rinse this off. But I already feel it hardening now. I feel it tightening. Again, that cooling sensation, which I think is really, really different, really unique. So I really, really like it. That's great. All right, so we're back. I've had this on for about 7 to 8 minutes because I have oily skin. So I feel like it's really tight. I can't smile fully right now. It's working wonders. Tell me, what's the next step?
Okay, so the next step after it's dried or after you've met your time that you feel you need to leave the mask on your face, you're gonna wanna rinse it off with some lukewarm water.
Okay, so as I'm taking this off, help me understand what's happening to my skin.
Yeah, so what's happening is as you're removing this Redox Clay Mask, the negatively charged bentonite is going in and pulling out those positively charged impurities, so the dirt, the oil, any grime that's on your face, and they're working as a magnet. The positive and the negative are attracting each other. So bentonite is pulling impurities out of your skin, and then these redox signaling molecules in the clay mask is coming behind that and working on your skin cells.
And you talked about how it works with the Renew 28. So why is that, the negative and the positive charge? How does that incorporate with the Renew 28 once we layer that on?
Yeah, so those negative and positive charges, the negative bentonite and the positive impurities in your skin, they've attracted each other. And as you're rinsing it off, you're taking away all of those impurities along with the bentonite. And then, so now that you have a clean slate, your face is completely fresh, you can come in with Renew 28. And since there's nothing else on your face, all of the signaling molecules within Renew 28 can then work their magic on your skin.
Okay, amazing. Let's try it.
Here you go.
Thank you.
All
so
right.
talk me through, what's Renew 28 going to help with?
Yeah, so Renew 28, our revitalizing redox gel, it is made with our redox technology. It has redox signaling molecules in it. So as you apply it to your face, your skin cells are actually absorbing those redox molecules. And so you have these redox reactions going on in your face as they're being absorbed, and they're revitalizing and purifying your skin.
I can really already feel the firmness on my skin after the mask, and then especially using that Renew 28 just now, I already feel it tightening. I feel the cooling effect again, and I feel the firmness in my skin. So why does it help with the firmness?
So what it's doing is your skin already feels firm from the bentonite, again, pulling out all those impurities.
Yeah.
And then as you come in with the revitalizing redox gel, the Renew 28, it's kind of kicking those skin cells into gear. It's telling them, hey, we need to hydrate, we need to revitalize ourselves, and it results in a more youthful appearance.
Okay, I love it. I will always take that. It's been truly amazing. I mean, I feel so lucky to be able to have the opportunity to try this mask, demo it for you. You can get it today. This is honestly one of the best clay masks I've used. I use skincare pretty frequently. And because I have oily skin, clay masks are a staple part of my skincare routine. And I love that this is so lightweight. It's an under 10-minute routine. So for those people that are quick, on the go, needing to pick up and, want to target wrinkles, dry skin, firmness, different things like that, and even clarity, I really feel like this was the best pairing of products. So it's been awesome. And then I washed it off, and my towel is still clean and ready to go for another application.
Yeah, I'm really glad you liked it. The science team at ASEA has worked long and hard to create you a product that has the same signaling molecules that our ASEA Redox supplement and our Renew 28 has in it.
I think we have some before and afters that your team has helped to put together. So let's go take a look at those before and afters.